Hello, mi amigos and amigas. Thank you for coming to my channel. It is February now, so that means it's Valentine's month. So happy Valentine's Day. I wanted to give you guys a Valentine's like themed video. So I'm gonna do Valentine's like inspired lip combos. Just like lip combos that have like Valentine's vibes, I guess. Because I'm a professional at lip combos. I'll be wearing lip combos on a daily, like all the time. Except for right now because I'm about to put some on. But yeah, if you like me, go ahead and subscribe. And even if you don't like me, still subscribe. Because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this month of February, but I don't know. We'll see, hopefully. Sorry, I'm so awkward. But I'm gonna go ahead and start. I came up with about 5 lip combos that I can show you guys. I have a lot of products. Got a whole collection of products. I'm not gonna use them all right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this brown lip liner. Oh my. You can't even see. Okay, yeah, here's the brand. I think I got this from HEB. Let me use my mirror one moment. So I did like a pretty thick outline of this lip liner. It's not really showing up that much on camera, I feel like, but I can see it. I have this lip oil by Milani. Using it on the inside. It's gonna be like a chocolate color strawberry type of vibe. Okay, I actually started over. I did the outline again. It's giving like chocolate covered strawberry, teddy bear type of vibes. So use like maybe a darker brown. Yeah, here's a look with a darker brown. Yeah, I think it looks better. It's a hint better with the dark brown for my skin color. Okay, for this next one, I gotta use a few more lip products. I'm using like 4 different things. Okay. Let me show you. This is black. I'm just using a little bit, it's okay. This is black. It's my NYX. Doing like a pretty thin line of black. Outline of the black. This color by NYX, I think it's called like Cabaret. I'm putting this like in the middle. Okay, here's what it looks like so far. And after that, I have this. This is the color if you wanted to know. I don't know if you can see. It's not focusing. It's called Precious. If you want it. But yeah. It's not really focusing. I'm taking this and I'm basically putting it everywhere. Besides like in the middle. Okay. See how it's like not really in the middle. Then I got this cute shimmery elf color. It's called dang, you can't see that. It's called Candy Coated. Like that's what's going in the middle and kind of like everywhere. I see the shimmer. Okay, next I have this NYX lip gloss. I don't know, it doesn't have the color. It doesn't have the color on it, but like you can see the color. It's like brown. Or like burnt orange. I use this side of it to line my lips. It's hard to do it in the camera. And then I like do a little dabs in it to like dry it and like smudge it out a little bit. And then I take this purpley lip oil. It's called Plum. Get this all over. This is actually my daily lip combo that I use every day. But it's Valentine's Day, I feel like. I love purpley lip oils. So pretty on my skin. I'm gonna do like a chocolate look now, like a chocolate lip. I'm gonna use this brown, this dark brown. It's by LA Girl. I can't really see it in the camera. I use my mirror. I'm trying to do like a thin layer of a dark brown. I got the dark brown. I'm gonna take this light brown that I used before put that like in the middle. Do like a thick outline of this one. Now I'm gonna use this glittery, shiny lip oil from e.l.f. It is called Chocolux. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. Alright, on that note, that's all the lip combos I have for you for this video. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.